Jerusalem the golden, with milk and honey blessed, beneath thy contemplation, sing heart and voice of praise. I know not, I know not what joy awaits us there, what radiancy of glory, what bliss beyond compare. Descend, O songs of Zion, all jubilant with song, and bright sweet man angel, and all the mother throng. The Prince is ever in them, the delight is therein, the pastures of the blessed are decked in glorious sheep. There is the throne of David, and there's from Carrie list the shout of them that triumph, the song of them that feast, and there who with their leader have conquered in the fight, forever and forever are clad in robes of white. Oh, sweet